Yes. Yes. So we are discussing about exercise 4. Yes. Maratan aradtu an azhaba. Aradtu came an azhaba ila bayti sadiqin li. Fatalabtu al-izna min walidi wa talabtu bazam min al-fuluse min walidati li shira'i hadiyatan lahu. Fa'atatni ashara rubiyatin. Qultu laha. What I said? Qultu laha, I said to her. Al-mablagha la yakfi. Which word will come here? Join the sentence. Yes. Which word can come? Yes. No one is there? Yes, said. Of course, indeed. You can say yes. You can say qultu laha hazal mablagh. Yes, yes. Hazal mablaghu la yakfi. Yes. Okay. Haza can come. Hazal mablaghu la yakfi. Haza haza qalilun jiddan. Hazal mablaghu qalilun jiddan. Fatalabtu. After that, again it is coming. So you can see, you can find what will be malahu. Where is malu? You are too busy in sending messages. Ira Shamin, my voice is not coming. Your voice is coming properly. My voice is not going to you. Okay. Array time. Don't waste time, please. Time is not there too much. So don't waste. Fatalabtu. Talaba. After talaba, which word will come? Which harfejar will come after talaba? Na talabtu. You have to say beta. After that, harfejar will come. I asked from her. है ना? तो tell from her. Yes. Which word comes for from? Minha. Yes. Suitable word will be here. Fatalabtu minha. Me'atu. 100 rupees. Yes. Rubiyati. Rubiyat will not come. Jama will not come. Mufrad will come. Rubiyatun beta. Rubiyatun will come. With me'at. Rubiyatun singular will come. Yes. Fatalabtu minha. Me'atu rubiyatin. Faqalat la. Haza mablagun jiddan. Very much. Which word will come? Which word comes for that? Very much. You haven't read. Kasirun, yes. La haza mablagun kasirun jiddan. This is a big amount. Or haza mablagun. Yes, haza mablagun kabirun jiddan. Fatawajjahtu ila walidi. So I faced to my father. Fasameya. Yes. He listened to me. Yes. Yes. Or he listened my words. Yes. Fasamya. फसमिअनी, he listened to me. Sami'ani wattafaqa ma'i fi talabi, and he agreed with my uh, with which I want. Wa me ata rubiyatin, and he gave me. Which word will come to give? Gave me. Which word comes to give? Yes, Faria. Ha, ata. Ata yuti, a town. Fa'atani. Me ata rubiyatin. Atani. How ata will be written? I am writing here. Look carefully how ata will be written. Yes, time is not too much. Atani. He gave me. Atani. It will be written like this. Fa'atani me ata rubiyatin. Okay? Eh? Fasame'ani. So you have to write. It will be written like this. Same'ani. He listened to me. Fa same'ani. He listened to me. Yes. Fasame'ani wattafaqa mai fi talabi. Wa atani mi'ata rubiyatin. Yes. Now the next exercise I want that you have to do. I have written. I think you have seen how it will be written. Now exercise third I told that you have to write about your class. So you have to write Safi, है ना, like that Safi. Yes. So jumla sentence should be uh, started with fail with verb. Yes. Yes. Okay. Aira Shamim, I am not asking any help from you. I have written. Look carefully and do. Yes. You have to tell about your class, है ना, about your class. So you can say start first sentence you can write haza haza sappi, about that, है ना. अब this is my class, this is my class, one sentence. So you can write jumla ismiya. After that you have to describe about your class with jumla failure, like adkhulu saffi. No, example, this is example, you have to do this. Shahriz, eh? قبل المدرس أدخل صفي قبل المدرس, है ना. You can say أنظف أنظف. You are Ira Shamim. You to also have done. You started and now you are complaining. Yes. Yeah. All the sentences will be written. First sentence, so you can write jumla ismiya, but it will be another sentence. It will be a 11th sentence as take it, है ना. Okay. So 10 sentences you have to write. Yes. Now join the class on WhatsApp group. Come to WhatsApp group. Yes. Yes. Now tell me what you have, which sentence you have made here.